This is our last lecture on section 2.3. This incorporates the use of tables that we saw in the beginning of this section, or of this chapter. So we're doing exercise number 3 from Lehman's book. You'll see the Lehman's book up here. And what we have is exercise number 76 on page 79 tells us that an electronics store is offering a weekend sale of $15 off the retail price of any its DVD players. We want to finish building this table number 17 here to help us to find a general expression for the retail price or the sale price given what we know about the retail price, and then we're going to evaluate our expression and say what it means in terms of the situation for this R value. So first off, what we're doing here is we're saying, okay, if we have a retail price of $125, then the sale price represents that $125 minus $15. And so 125 minus 15 gives us 110. And I'm not going to write the units each time because I've written them right up here. Then if it's $150, that would be the sale price being 150 minus the $15. And so that would represent $135. Next, if it were $175, that would be the retail price, 175 minus the sale of $15 off, and that would give us $160. And if it were $200, that would be the $200 minus the $15 off, and that would give us the $185. So what we're seeing here is a pattern. Whatever our retail price is, and we're going to call that R, retail price, minus, and every time we subtracted minus $15. And so this is our general expression that B is asking us about. So in B, we're going to evaluate this expression. So if our retail price is $173, we have 173 minus 15. And so 173 minus 15, I'll have to do some borrowing here and carry over there 13 minus 5, which is 8, and 6 minus 1, which is 5, and 1 minus 0, which is 1. And this represents $158 for the sale price. And that's the sale price when our retail price, and I'll be thorough here because we want to describe this, when retails $173. So when retail is 173. So there we go. And so this would be our very, very thorough answer right there. $158 for the sale when the retail is $173 is what this value or evaluation means. And that's our final link between real world and what we're doing with making algebraic expressions and evaluating those and using integer operations to do so. Now we didn't see too many integer operations here, but we definitely did see some evaluation. We could have also said that this was plus a negative $15. So we could have written this and used our integer ideas by saying this is R plus a negative $15. And that way we would have been expressing using integers and we would have linked everything all together. So that wraps up section 2.3.